Welcome to Back to Dad Untied. I am Derek. Thank you, first off, right off the bat, for all those that said they've enjoyed the show or what I've been doing, and thank you for all those that have said nice things, and I appreciate it. And hopefully more people watch. But like I said, just kind of doing it for fun, and trying to share my love of sneakers and tennis shoes. So if nobody watches, that is fine. I will probably continue to do it because I find it to be pretty fun. But today is a special day. Today is the day of my birth. When I am filming this, it is February the 28th, the year of our Lord 2020. So, I am a big whopping 37 years old. So, Dad Untied is Old Man Untied, officially today. So, I am rapidly approaching 40, and it scares the bejesus out of me. But I will forever try to stay as young as I possibly can, and make sure that my wife always has at least one child to take care of, as long as we are both living. So, but yes, today is a special day. I am celebrating. I'm celebrating the best way that you possibly can, and that is by getting some dad drip. I use the money that I will be getting, hopefully for my birthday, from different people and relatives, and I went ahead and bought myself something and made sure that it was going to be here today, so I felt like I had something really cool to open for you guys. So without further ado, I just got this off my porch, got home, got it off my porch, and could not open it without letting you guys see it. So we really need new steak knives. Things kind of blow. Barely open a box. Maybe if I didn't use them to open box, they would probably be better steak knives, right? But whatever. All right, if you know anything about anything, you know what I'm opening. If you don't know anything about anything, this is a Jordan box. Air. Let's see. Can we get the glare off? Air Jordan 1. Let's see what the colorway says. Retro High OG Black / Gem Red / White. Size 11. So we are looking at a Jordan 1 High. If you don't know anything about Jordans, there's lows, there's mids, and then there's highs. The highs are the OGs, right? That's what they originally came out with in '85. And lows are making a little bit of a resurgence. There's some pretty sweet colorways that are coming out that I will have to probably try out. But we don't mess with the mids. Some people are mid fans, not a mid fan. You either go high, OG, or you go low. But we went high today, and these are pretty sweet because I got these on sale, right? And you can't beat something that's on sale. So, without further ado, drum roll, please. Here we go. Woo-wee. Hi. This is the Bloodline. And let me tell you, I've heard other people talk about it. Right, so these have been out for a while, but heard other people talk about them and how good quality the leather is, and they are not kidding. Butter. Look, feel it. A little tumble. I mean, it is soft. Woo-wee. So, let's get into it. Yeah, this is the Bloodline colorway. Came out, and I guess the Bloodline is, from the, probably from this like little tubing. It's like a felt almost. I don't know if you grew up in church and Sunday school with those sweet felt boards. They would tell the pictures, of the Bible stories on. That's what it feels like, felt. But so I don't really know about that, but the leather more than makes up for it, because it is, I don't know if I said this before, but it's butter. So, red bottom on it, black and white. There's been a lot of people buying these and then like customizing them and making them into a Chicago. So painting everywhere that's black, painting that red. I might actually do that. So, story behind these, I got these on sale. You appreciate saving money, as I do. These are the way to go. Right now, these are on Nike.com. Regularly $160, $170, somewhere in there. I got them for $120. So, depending on what the actual price is, I believe it's $40, $50 savings. So if you do not own a pair of Jordan 1s, first of all, when you go to buy some, don't buy mids, because they're just, I think they look like trash in my opinion. But if you like them, I'm sorry, but they're a little. I don't like the look of them. Buy a high or buy a low, and if you want really, really good quality, this the Bloodline would not be a bad first shoe for you to get. It's not going to come through on the camera, but it is soft leather, and so I'm pretty pumped about it. The tongue looks like the normal kind of foam tongue with the Nike Air on it. It does come with 2 sets of laces, so actually 3 sets of laces. There's the red that is actually on the shoe when you pull it out of the box. There is a white, and then there is a black, and it says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" Right? How dope is that? And Jordan, he's flying all over the place. Actually says that same thing in here. I don't know if you can see that. Who said man was not meant to fly? So yeah, I mean, these are, for the price that I paid for them. These are dope. And unboxing them, it's everything's kind of normal, nothing too crazy. But man, that is a good looking shoe for the price. I just cannot get over it. So I would highly recommend you going to Nike.com, and I will link it in the description for you. And it's not an affiliate or anything like that. It's just me linking that and being nice to you. So yeah, I mean, these are about as clean as you can get, for the price. And like I said, for that quality of leather, sometimes on a Jordan 1 you don't know what you're gonna get. But if you don't own a pair of these currently, if you don't own a pair of Jordan 1s, this wouldn't be a bad starter pair, like I said, for the price. So yeah, that's about it for today. And like I said, I will link these in the description. And I just want to again thank everybody for positive words and everything, and then let me know that you are watching and you enjoy what I'm doing. Like I said, I'll continue doing it either way, but it is nice to know that people are watching and they're getting something out of the video. So that's it for today. We will I'll get to that beautiful bean footage. I'll probably roll some. It's a nice day outside. Sun is shining. It is my birthday, and so we'll probably take some sweet footage of these. And we are out. Have a good one.